Trust me, I keep it simple. I don't even know what any of that stuff is that you just said. Diminished. I heard him talking theory one day. I ain't doing it. All right. Lord, put me somewhere in the middle of nowhere, Alabama, where the clocks tick slower 'cause time don't carry much weight. You're up at work at sunrise, back for supper at sundown. You kiss your babies goodnight, then you're up for one more round. Yeah, Lord, settle me down in the Alabama pines, far away from the Nashville lights. You put the wind in my hair somewhere down 65, and roll me on down to the Mississippi Sound, to a boat dock barn, a little water town, down a back road in nowhere, Alabama. City life, it ain't no count. The running and gunning, getting nowhere fast. Feels like meeting the business end of a baseball bat. Yep. All the headache making, the wages it takes to live in a shack right by the ghetto. Lord, I'd give it all up today if you would promise to my soul to settle me down in the Alabama pines, far away from the Nashville lights. You put the wind in my hair somewhere down 65, and roll me on down to the Mississippi Sound, to a boat dock barn, a little water town, down a back road to nowhere, Alabama. Yeah, take it, Nick. Settle me down in the Alabama pines, far away from the Nashville lights. You put the wind in my hair somewhere down 65, and roll me on down to the Mississippi Sound, to a boat dock